The James Webb Space Telescope, mankind's most moderate space observatory so far, has, as of now, accomplished an incredible achievement by getting the most unquestionably exact photo yet of Proxima b, an exoplanet arranged inside the Proxima Centauri system. This structure is significant for our nearby radiant community. This colossal achievement has edified as of late concealed nuances of this distant world, suggesting its capacity to support life and raising significant requests concerning the possibilities inside our universe. Proxima Centauri b circles its host star, Proxima Centauri, a red midget arranged around 4.2 light-years from Earth. The perceivability of Proxima b has started critical logical interest and enchanted the creative mind of individuals overall as it raises the exhilarating chance of finding life beyond our own nearby planetary group. Proxima Centauri exists in the tenable zone of its star, a region where conditions could take into consideration the presence of fluid water, a significant detail for life as far as we might be concerned. Its nearness to Earth and the fundamental factors making it possibly tenable have driven researchers to guess about the chance of Proxima b facilitating distant life. The disclosure of Proxima b was made conceivable through the innovative utilization of the radial speed technique and astrometry in the field of exoplanet recognition. This technique depends on noticing light varieties in the movement of a star due to the gravitational power of a surrounding planet. Via cautiously observing varieties in the star's spectral lines, cosmologists have had the option to identify the presence of Proxima b. In spite of its small size and remote location, Proxima Centauri b circles its parent star at a good ways off that outcomes in a year enduring just 11.2 Earth days, in a much closer circle than Earth's separation from the Sun. This closeness causes outrageous varieties in temperature and light, with one side of the planet continually washed in sunlight while the contrary side remaining parts in darkness. The disclosure of Proxima b marks a significant scientific achievement in mankind's excursion to explore the universe and comprehend our place within it, including the huge scope of planetary frameworks that exist beyond our own planetary group. Through planetary science and mechanical progressions, the potential for seeing an Earth-like world fit for supporting life becomes more reasonable as researchers proceed to zero in on Proxima Centauri b and other exoplanets. Notwithstanding its nearness, Proxima Centauri b plays a round of stowaway and look for with our eyes, with an evident size surpassing the unaided eye's cutoff of 6.5. However, this star framework is a fascinating sight. Red smaller people like Proxima Centauri and their planets are robust energy producers, shining for billions of years due to their vigorous internal convection processes. Proxima Centauri itself will keep on shining as a red preeminent for another 4 trillion years, displaying its enduring nature. Anyway, the truth of Proxima Centauri and its potential for facilitating life is intricate. The star is a flare star inclined to producing solid and unexpected eruptions of energy. Its low mass likewise implies that any tenable region where conditions might be reasonable for life is generally closer than in our own planetary framework. Proxima Centauri b, situated inside this region, faces a consistent flood of extreme radiation from its star, a lot more than the radiation Earth gets from the Sun. This outrageous radiation can strip away the planet's air, making it hard to help life. While Proxima Centauri bears striking similitudes with our home planet, its capacity to help life is a long way from surefire. The universe proceeds to maintain its mysteries well, and Proxima Centauri bestays a huge riddle covered in secret and interest. Revealing the privileged insights of Proxima b with the James Webb Space Telescope is an overwhelming challenge. Yet the inquiry perseveres, driven by trust and innovative advancement. Maybe one of the most intriguing apparatuses for this aggressive undertaking is the James Webb Space Telescope, expected to be finished by 2021. This outstanding telescope guarantees to assist us with responding to probably the most intriguing inquiries. Is there life on Proxima b? The excursion toward this disclosure is everything except direct. The James Webb Space Telescope is expected to go through critical changes to guarantee the precision of its pictures. It is ready to assemble infrared light from the planet's surface, helping researchers in their look for indications of water or an environment. The essential inquiry of whether Proxima b harbors water is fundamental for how we assess this nearby exoplanet and its actual potential for life. Water is a basic element for life as far as we might be concerned, and its presence could show that the planet would be ready to help conditions ideal for life. The two cosmologists and space aficionados are anxious to investigate this Earth-like exoplanet. While transient visits to Proxima Centauri b might be far-fetched, the chance of the planet being tenable or even prepared to do supporting some type of life is tempting. Situated inside the tenable zone of its star, Proxima Centauri b gets a comparative measure of Sun-oriented energy as Earth does from the Sun. However, its closeness to its red small star uncovered the planet to outrageous radiation and solid gravitational forces, which can present challenges for the dependability of any climate and the presence of fluid water. Complex models and recreations are presently being utilized to study the limit conditions for Proxima Centauri b's ongoing climate and potential water saves. A few situations recommend that the planet could have immense seas, while others propose that any water may be locked away as ice or covered profound underground. Identifying water on Proxima Centauri b is a difficult undertaking requiring high-level telescope innovation and explicit barometrical circumstances. As our observational instruments proceed to disentangle the mysteries of Proxima Centauri b's environment and possible waterholes, more clear theories will arise, carrying us nearer to understanding the real essence of this captivating exoplanet. Anyway, having an environment doesn't ensure that Proxima Centauri b is tenable. Ed Turner, an astrophysicist at Princeton College, cautions that the planet could look like Venus, with a thick hot climate and outrageous temperatures making conditions unsuitable for life. Notwithstanding these difficulties, the disclosure of Proxima Centauri b by the James Webb Space Telescope offers a tempting plausibility. It likewise presents monetary challenges and fascinating intricacies that space specialists will confront. Driven by the normal furthest reaches of investigating new universes and potentially new types of life, the excursion to uncover the secrets of Proxima Centauri b is loaded up with trust, energy, and the commitment to reconfigure how we might interpret the universe. Proxima Centauri b isn't simply a remote exoplanet. It is a neighbor in our huge, enormous area, and its nearness to Earth makes it a convincing focus for future space missions. The difficulties of coming to Proxima Centauri b are colossal. However, with current space drive innovation, the excursion could require something like 73,000 years. Anyway, progressions in drive innovation could turn the fantasy about investigating an exoplanet inside our lifetime into a reality. The disclosure of Proxima Centauri b has reignited humanity's interest in the universe, giving a flash of trust and interest. It remains as a demonstration of our innate want to investigate, pushing the limits of our insight, and connecting with new universes. Humanity's interest with Proxima Centauri b stretches out past simple logical interest. It addresses a huge longing to comprehend our position in the universe. The quest for life past Earth mirrors our intrinsic interest and our mission for information about the universe. The James Webb Space Telescope, with its high-level capacities, holds the commitment of further unwinding the mysteries of Proxima b and other distant universes by looking at their airs and surface circumstances. It offers new bits of knowledge into the potential for life past our nearby planetary group. While the difficulties of space investigation are overwhelming, they pale in contrast with the immense prizes looking for us. The disclosure of Proxima Centauri b is a demonstration of humanity's strength and innovativeness, exhibiting our capacity to apparently survive outlandish impediments in the pursuit of information. Proxima Centauri b isn't simply an object of logical interest. It addresses an encouraging sign and probability in the vast span of the universe. Its disclosure has touched off a restored feeling of marvel and investigation, motivating us to push the limits of what we know and adventure into the obscure. As we keep on investigating the universe, we are driven by an essential want to comprehend our spot in the universe and to disentangle the secrets of presence. The excursion to uncover the secrets of Proxima Centauri b is a demonstration of the human soul of interest, revelation, and investigation. With each new disclosure, we inch nearer to opening the insider facts of the universe and extending comprehension. We may interpret life both on Earth and past. The James Webb Space Telescope remains as a demonstration of our aggregate aspiration and assurance to investigate the universe and open the mysteries of the universe. In the mission to investigate new universes and search out indications of something going on under the surface beyond Earth, we are helped to remember the unfathomable capability of mankind and our ability to try to achieve the impossible. As we look out into the universe, we are loaded up with trust, wonder, and the vast conceivable outcomes that lie ahead. We continue to examine the universe, Proxima Centauri b fills in as an update of the boundless potential outcomes that lie past our home planet. It is a picture of our total interest and our continuous mission to uncover the mysteries of the universe. As innovation advances and our understanding of the universe creates, we will undoubtedly look further into Proxima Centauri b and its actual limit with regards to clutching life. With each new disclosure, we will attract one phase closer to noting humanity's generally significant requests as to situate in the universe. Proxima Centauri b addresses not simply a logical accomplishment, yet additionally an empowering sign for humanity's future. Its disclosure lights our innovative mind and rouses us to dream of what lies past our unmistakable heavenly conditions. As we take a gander at the distant shores of Proxima and Zenith b, we are assisted with remembering our common humanity and the fortitude that integrates us, paying little heed to character, convention, or establishment. The mission to research the universe joins us in a commonplace reason. The journey for life beyond Earth is an outing that transcends limits and ranges ages. It is a show of our common interest and our tireless quest for data. With each new disclosure, we inch closer to opening the mysteries of the universe and uncovering our place within it. The James Webb Space Telescope remains as a demonstration of mankind's innovativeness and assurance. Its high-level innovation contributes to changing our perception of exoplanets like Proxima Centauri b and plan for future investigation. As we set out on this excursion of revelation, let us recall the significance of collaboration and backing. The troubles of room investigation are massive, yet by working together, we can overcome them and reach new degrees of disclosure in the years to come. As we continue to investigate the universe, let us never neglect to zero in on the wonder and wonderment that awakened us to seek the stars. For in the inconceivability of room, we track down not only answers for our inquiries, but also a re-energized sensation of miracle and believability in the immense range of the universe. Amidst the spinning universes and distant stars lies a vast expanse of untold supernatural occurrences and secrets fit to be found. Among these divine treasures stands Proxima Centauri b, a distant planet orbiting its parent star, Proxima Centauri. In the profundities of space, the story of Proxima Centauri b is one of endless interest, captivating the minds of researchers and visionaries the same. Arranged a straightforward 4.2 light-years from Earth, it holds the responsibility of opening the insider facts of our universe and perhaps uncovering the presence of extraterrestrial life. The new achievement of getting an unequivocal image of Proxima Centauri b using the James Webb Space Telescope signifies a basic accomplishment in humanity's central goal to examine the universe. With its high-level capacities, this moderate telescope has opened a window into a world beforehand past our degree, offering enticing ganders at distant planets and their actual limit for clutching life. The disclosure of Proxima Centauri b has lighted a restored sensation of wonder and interest among analysts and space darlings similar. Its region inside the descent zone of its star, where conditions may be useful for the presence of fluid water, has raised anticipates the possibility of finding life beyond our own planet. Anyway, the trip to uncover the favored secrets of Proxima Centauri b isn't without its challenges. The brutal radiation and ludicrous temperatures present on this faraway world posture tremendous obstacles to the new development and food of life. Notwithstanding these challenges, scientists stay steady in their excursion to open the mysteries of the enigmatic planet. As we continue to focus on this faraway planet and its natural elements, we may uncover signs to the starting points of life in the universe and gain experiences into the fundamental powers that direct the universe. The mission for life beyond Earth is quite possibly humanity's most driving forward through the mission, energized by a tireless interest and a hankering to tackle our spot in the astonishing woven artwork of presence. Proxima Centauri b, with its alluring potential for holding on to life, tends to a sign of trust in our central goal to find whether we are far off from every other person in the universe. Yet as we take a gander at the distant shores of Proxima and Zenith b, we are assisted with recollecting the immense challenges that lie ahead. The savage conditions on this faraway world, with its absurd temperatures and uncommon radiation, go about as an indisputable sign of the delicacy of life and the necessity for alert in our examination of the universe. By the appeal of revelation, allures us forward, driving us to stretch the boundaries of what is possible and experience into the overlooked world. With each new revelation, We draw one phase nearer to unraveling the mysteries of the universe and opening the insider facts of our own world. As we set out on this outing of examination, let us recall the staggering and wonder that first pushed us to look for the stars. For in the gigantic range of the universe, in the middle of the spinning grandiose frameworks and faraway nebulae, we track down not simply answers to our inquiries, yet moreover a sensation of supernatural occurrence and modesty that assists us with remembering our spot in the universe. In the years to come, as we continue to consider Proxima Centauri b and other faraway universes, let us approach our examination with leanness and adoration, knowing that the favored secrets of the universe are colossal and wondrous beyond imagining. Let us won't ever neglect to zero in on the wonder and staggering that recently impelled us to attempt to accomplish the unimaginable. For in the profundities of room, we track down not simply the reactions to our inquiries, yet additionally a sensation of wonder and wonderment that transcends reality.